Look at that bacon. Bacon. Oh, yeah, bacon, yeah.
I didn't like bacon.
You don't like bacon?
Alright.
Then why'd you make it?
Because I wanted to cook something.
Look at all the grease. Oh, yeah, bacon. Oh, yeah. What's that commercial that talks about bacon?
It's like the bacon strips, the dog commercial.
Oh, yeah, bacon strips, yeah.
Move.
What does he say, though? He's like, bacon. Oh, yeah, bacon. Bacon,
No,
bacon,
he's
bacon,
like,
bacon, bacon.
Dude, you have to watch the Happy Hot Dog commercial.
Yeah, I still don't believe it. There's a... Yep. Okay, now we're going to make these.
Look, reach down there, and that little pull up. Yeah. And get that pan right there. Yeah, you're not making anything.
I just want to open them. I just want to open all the biscuits.
No, that's my favorite part.
Oh my god, you just ruined my morning. Did you get out of it? Oh, yeah. I love what I do.